What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the journey. Today is August 30th, Wednesday, and I got another day trading video for you guys. Um, this is the ES chart, 2000 tick interval, and yeah, so this is what the chart looked like when I opened up NinjaTrader. As you can see, we have gone up quite a bit. We've rallied quite a bit, and you can see the previous days here. Monday kind of started off slow. Tuesday really picked up Tuesday, and then Wednesday. Now we're here, but you can see just the amount we've gone up. Um, so overall, the week's kind of been more trading range-ish, but now it's definitely picking up, going towards the upside. And today was kind of following with the trend, and we're trending up for the pretty well, at least the morning time. The morning we're trending up, but yeah, that's what the chart looked like when I opened it up on NinjaTrader. But let's get it sped up here, and I'll go through the trades I took today. I took 2 trades today, guys. 2 trades. Um, Both were successes, but the first trade, honestly, it was I just had a gut feeling. I kind of went with it, just off of like reading the price and kind of knowing where it was going. I kind of figured it was going up, but typically you don't want to do that. you know, you want to stick to the rules of price action trading, but we'll still go through it, and I'll tell you why, and then that will kind of maybe make more sense. But yeah, here we go. This is the chart sped up. As you can see, it really wasn't clear for me, at least in the beginning, what was really going on. It started off trading down, and then we had a sharp rise up. So I'm kind of thinking trading range right now at the moment. So I was kind of hesitant to buy, especially at the top right now. I wasn't thinking of buying. I was thinking of actually going short because maybe it would go down. But I soon realized that it seemed like we had a strong uptrend going up. As you can see here, I made the mini one, and then I made this big one. I kind of just guessed this one first. Like I didn't think it was actually in the big trading, big the big uptrend was actually in play, but I just drew it just to see if it would make sense. But I was initially just going off the smaller one that I have right here. I kept moving it up, but as you can see, it got very close to the top of the big uptrend that I drew, and honestly, this one kind of stayed in play for the day, and this is what I was going off. You can see like it pretty much hit it to the tick, and then it kind of went down. I was betting it was gonna go down as soon as it hit that tick, but it kind of just stayed stagnant and traded sideways for a little bit, and then it went down. I didn't take any trades because there really wasn't any setups on the way up. At least I didn't see anything. Um, I'm gonna go back and analyze and watch good old Thomas Wade and Pat's videos today because they should be posting on YouTube. If you haven't checked their YouTubes out, I would highly suggest checking them out, especially if you want to learn price action trading. I would definitely go check out their YouTubes. Let's see. Yeah, but this is what was happening. See, it pretty much hit my that top where I had my trend channel line. You might be able to call that overshoot, but I don't know. And what overshoot is if it breaks the trend channel and going on the upside, it either leads into a straight reversal or something like that, and we eventually do get just a massive drop down. You'll see here. The moment though, I was waiting for maybe a second entry long back to the EMA to get this little channel, because we got a break in this channel. So I didn't know what, like, maybe we might get a new high or something, but we never really got that. As you'll see, it just kind of traded sideways. There was a triple test that I was going to take, but nothing I really wanted. Nothing really worth it after that, though. Yeah, I really didn't see much going up, but you can see that this trend channel that I drew actually is pretty much still in play though. It's pretty much following it to the tick, except for that overshoot. But then we got this. Now I started getting this move down right here, and then you'll see from here it just kind of shot straight down, and didn't look back until we got to pretty much the midline, a little bit below the midline too. And kind of where the midline was is where I took my trade. And I'll tell you why, because honestly, there really wasn't a reason, or there wasn't a setup, right? For me, I was expecting, correction and it to go all the way back up, honestly, and make a new extreme because it broke this trend channel. That is why I did it. Honestly, it's kind of lucky that I even made this trade. I wouldn't suggest somebody doing this, but I just had a gut feeling it would go back up. At least it would hit 4 ticks. I just had a feeling it would go back up, especially at this point, because it needed to go test again. But honestly, I'm glad. I'm glad it worked out the way it did, because it did not go back up. It actually started continuing going straight down. So honestly, guys, I got pretty lucky here, and I do not suggest doing that. I just had a gut feeling and just placed my trade and said, screw it, I'm gonna do it. But I wouldn't suggest doing that. Stick to price action trading. Stick to the rules and strategies. For me, it's a winning trade, but honestly, I wouldn't do it myself again unless I had that gut feeling. Because sometimes, like when you're trading, you get like this gut feeling. It's like, all right, no, it's gonna go like that, and usually sometimes your gut is right. But yeah, I got lucky there, because then I directly went down. Didn't even attempt to try to get my runner because it kind of just stopped out. But you can see now, it looks like we have like a double-legged, big double leg down. If you can see that, you get the initial downtrend from the top, and then that went up and then it went down. Pretty much measured move right there. Then I was kind of thinking that it might go down and touch the low, but it really didn't do that, and it kind of, we just got some rejection, and then we started trading back up, and you see, like, I thought it was going back up, but that wasn't it. But my last trade is coming up here pretty soon. My last trade was pretty much a second entry long, but what's it called? Yeah, it was a second entry long, and it was in a decent spot because I was expecting it to happen, because we got a little bit of an overshoot, and I expected it to go from here. It seemed like it was going to go back up and test the new extreme for the previous longer channel that I drew in the back, and so I figured it was a good spot, and so I said, screw it, why not? Let's enter this sheesh. Let's take a chance, and it worked out for me. There was like a glitch with my computer, and I think it dragged my runner down on accident. Yeah, see, and then I was like, all right, well, I'm just gonna place it here, and it just filled both at the same time. Pretty good timing, but yeah, kind of hesitant, but then it filled my order, and that was that. I called it a day. Up 950 for the week. I don't know the exact numbers for the week, but we're up pretty good this week. So I'm hoping to carry the momentum into the next couple of days. But yeah, other than that, guys, that's pretty much all I have today. Again, I'm going to be on tomorrow, bright and early, for Thursday morning. If you like the video, please give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't. I hope everybody that did trade today had a good trading day. I'm going to leave my recent video right here, and then my subscribe button to the right. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. But yeah, I'll catch everybody in the next one, guys. Peace.